In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an agenda slide that auto-updates from sections in PowerPoint. This is a fast, reliable way to give your audience a clickable table of contents that stays in sync as your presentation evolves. It works best in newer versions of PowerPoint that include the Zoom feature. First, set up your presentation using sections. Think of sections as folders that group related slides, making both navigation and organization easier. On the Home tab, choose Section and then Add Section. Use clear, descriptive names for each section so your agenda will be meaningful at a glance. If you already have slides built, don't worry. Adding sections after the fact is absolutely fine. The key is that your content is divided logically so the agenda reflects the flow of your story. Next, move to the slide where you want your agenda to live. Many people like it right after the title slide, but you can place it anywhere. Go to the Insert tab, choose Zoom, and then select Summary Zoom. This feature builds a single slide that summarizes your presentation by sections and links to each one automatically. In the Summary Zoom dialog, you'll see the sections you created. Select the sections you want to include, then click Insert. PowerPoint generates an agenda slide for you with thumbnail tiles that serve as clickable links to each section. During a presentation, clicking a tile takes you directly to that part of the deck, and when you exit the section, you return to the agenda, creating a smooth, guided experience. As your presentation changes, your agenda can keep up. If you add, remove, or reorder sections, just right-click the Summary Zoom on your agenda slide and choose Update Summary. PowerPoint refreshes the tiles automatically so the slide always mirrors your current structure. This update step is quick and prevents broken links or outdated agendas. Finally, customize the look so it matches your style. Use Zoom styles and layout options to adjust the design, such as changing the border, shadow, or shape, and rearranging the tiles for better spacing. You can resize the overall zoom and each tile to improve readability, highlight priority sections, or fit different screen formats. Keep the layout clean and consistent, and make sure the text on each tile is easy to read. That's it. Divide your content into sections, build a summary zoom, let it auto-update as you revise, and polish the visuals with Zoom styles. You'll have a dynamic, self-maintaining agenda that keeps your audience oriented from start to finish.